Hey everyone, want to score a $100 unique, one-time use Wendy's promo code for your next meal at Wendy's? Let me walk you through how you can get yours. Start by heading over to ogcoupon.co and search for Wendy's promo code. Once you're there, click on the Get the Code button, and the promo code generation process will begin right away. Now, before you can receive your promo code, there's one quick step to ensure you're a real person and not a bot. You'll need to complete a mobile CAPTCHA verification. This involves downloading 2 apps from either the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store. Don't worry, these apps are free, trustworthy, and have millions of downloads. Once you've installed the apps, open them and use them for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to register or even reach level 9 or 10 in a game, just a small effort to verify you're human. After completing these steps, your $100 unique Wendy's promo code will be sent directly to your email, ready to save you big on your next Wendy's meal. If this was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more promo code tips.